Hey everybody, this is Joe with Russound. I'm here with Robbie today. We're going to talk about a tech tip on how to expand an SMZ8 with our multi-channel amplifier. This amplifier already has 6 powered zones, I should say the SMZ amplifier, but zones 7 and 8 require power for expansion. And Robbie's going to tell us a little bit about that right now.
Yeah, zone 7 and 8, unpowered, unlike the first 6 zones on the SMZ8 there. So, and that's, more or less just because, you might have some more zones in the house that have more than one pair of speaker, like an outside,
Right.
zone. And you want to go ahead and expand, like maybe you have like 4 pair of speaker out in your pool. So, for this example, we'll use, zone 7 as the pool. So the line outs on the back of the SMZ are here in the bottom right corner. Your line out 7 is your zone 7 and your line out 8 is your zone 8. You just simply have to connect a pair of RCA cable out of the line out on the SMZ8's line out 7, and then on the D1675 here, there's 3 options you can use for input. We have a bus A, a bus B input, and also a line input individually per zone. If we had zone 1 to 4 being used with 4 pair of speaker in our pool, we could connect that to bus A, and then there's a switch on each zone for line in, bus A, and bus B. So, I would flip each zone 1 to 4 that I had these 4 pairs of speaker in my pool zone to bus A.
So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 channels right there.
You have 8 channels, yep, absolutely. So 2 channels per zone. And then, for zone 8, we have, let's just say another, area where we have 3 pairs of speakers, out by the, let's say the fire, the outdoor fire pit. So, our zones 5, 6, and 7, we would flip to bus input B, connect our RCAs from line out 8 of the SMZ to the bus input B, and that would take care of those zones as well.
All right, so right now we're using 7 2-channel amplifiers technically,
yeah,
to fill up these big zones that we have off this SMZ. So we have 1 unused.
We do.
Now, for example, if I said I had 1 more area, let's say a large kitchen dining room area, where I had some extra speakers in there, and I needed some more power, I could just add that on. So how that you want to show how that connects?
Yeah, as you can
say
see,
zone 1.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, zone 1 here is our kitchen. We have a pair automatically connected to the powered side here of the SMZ. So going back to the line out, number 1 is our kitchen because the number 1 output.
Right.
We would just connect a RCA to the line out number 1. And then right to our zone 8, we don't need to use a bus input here because we're going to individually connect it. We're going to leave that switch to line in, connect our RCAs here. And we're going to want, because we have a pair connected on the powered and also on this D1675, there's a gain attenuator here at the top where we can actually match the volume to what's down here. Because on line 7 and line 8, we can all just set them the same, their volume attenuator.
Right.
But this one over here, we can match it so it's matched up so the dining room speakers and the kitchen
So the
speakers.
volume sounds the same. So
right.
I turn the volume up in my app, I'm going to hear the speakers coming out of here and the speakers coming out of here. It's going to be seamless.
It's going to be synchronized, absolutely.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. Well, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us in dealer support. And again, I'm Robbie and this is Joe. And please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.